How to change the language on your Facebook page. First of all, open up the Facebook app on your phone. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can explore and view Facebook posts and pages. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Scroll down to the Settings and Privacy section. Then, go to Settings. Here, scroll down and go to Language and Region. Tap on language into which you'd like to have posts translated. Here, you have the option to translate posts into any language that you want. Select your preferred language. Then, tap on Save Above. Now, go back to your feed to check out the translations on the posts. Following these steps, you can easily change the language on your Facebook page. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.